Since you recently just joined Creamline, ano yung eye-opening sa'yo na, kaya sila champion?
The culture. I mean, I've been with Atlay before. And
Ateneo.
yes, in Ateneo. And talagang yun, ever since yun yung culture na tinatry niyang dalhin sa amin. And I think na mas na-establish niya siya dito sa Creamline. Sobrang solid. So all I can say.
Actually, I can say din, favorite team captain ko sila eh.
Yes.
Kasi like, hinahayaan niya tayo magbida-bida. Pero
Yeah.
kung siya magsalita, like,
Oo,
respect,
tama.
lahat makikinig.
Yes,
Oo.
she's really earned that respect. Parang with Atalay, she lets you be whatever you are, but she'll just guide you and then make sure that the team is one.
Could you give me an example of her drawing the line? Ano yung moment na, tama na.
Every day, hey. Diba?
Kagather niya kami. Tapos, wala yung coach. Kami lang. Kakusapin niya.
Yeah, she'll
Small
gather you.
balls. Importante yon, small balls.
That's one of her things talaga.
Yeah.
Ayaw na ayaw niya yun. Pet peeve niya yung mga bola
Simple
na
errors.
mga bola na hindi lang kayo nag-communicate or mga bola na nandiyan ka naman pero hindi mo lang inabot.
Yeah.
So it's always a good reminder talaga because Adelay ever since Ateneo, as in like kahit sit-ups lang, nyari 30 sit-ups pas titigil ka sa 29. So what if yung one sit-up na yun yung magkakos ng championship? So, ganun siya. Diba?
Wow.
Ganun siya. As in, ganun siya mag-isip and pinapasa niya sa amin yun. And syempre, other than guilt,
Yes.
other than guilt, mamamotivate ka rin naman talaga. Kasi talagang yung one ball na yun, para sa teammate mo, para sa'yo, para sa buong team talaga siya.
Wow, that's great bits of information.